Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Savita from saviscreations. Dasara is very close and many of you find it difficult to build your golu stand as per your needs and preferences. This video is a DIY to help you build your perfect golu stand. When the customer has approached me for this project, I was little hesitant to take up the project since I have never built one. But when she insisted, I give it a try and I thought that this will help many of you who are in need of one. So I have taken up the project and the final result has come out well. Now let's go into the video to see how to build the golu stand. At Home Depot, you can purchase this pre-cut strip stringer. It comes in many sizes like 3 steps, 4 steps and so on. You can buy this according to your need. In 3-step stringer, you can actually make 4 steps. So if you want only 3 steps, you can buy a 3-step stringer and cut off 1 step. My customer has asked for 3 steps to display the golu dolls and 1 more step on the top to place a gopuram. So technically, I had to make 4 steps. So I purchased 3-step stringer which is perfect for making 4 steps. I bought 2 pieces of this 3-step stringer, one for each side. To make the stringer stand erect, I have to attach legs on the rear side. I have measured the height needed for the legs and cut 2 legs using 1/3" common board. Before attaching the legs to the stringer, I have connected the 2 legs using 1 more wooden piece. I have cut this piece to a width of 5 to 7 inches less than the total width of the steps. I had initially planned to attach them using pocket holes. But since it was not holding up well, I have decided to use a metal angle. Once the legs were joined, I have attached it to the stair stringer. I also attached another 1/3" common board to the front side for more support. Again, I have used metal angles. Now the frame for the step is ready. You can just place the wooden boards over these steps and it will be good enough to place the dolls. But I don't recommend that since there is high chance that the boards can move or flip and ruin the golu. You can screw the boards on the stringer, but dismantling it when not in use will be little troublesome. So I have decided to attach these wooden pieces over these 10-inch boards, leaving 2 inches on both the sides. The width of this wooden board is 4 feet. I have first attached the wooden pieces using glue and later with screws. Once it is done, you can just place the wooden boards over the frame in such a way that the attached wooden pieces slides in smoothly on both the sides. This prevents the wooden boards from moving left or right and also adds strength to the whole structure. I have also made the gopuram for the top. The customer has asked me to paint only the gopuram since she plans to drape the steps with a silk fabric. I have provided the link for making this gopuram in the description. For dismantling, just lift up all the boards and only remove the screws attached to the stringer. Now you can store this for next Navaratri season. Hope this video helps you to build the golu steps for this Navaratri. May this Navaratri brings peace and prosperity to each and everyone. Thanks for watching.